So you just got your real estate license. What's next? I'm going to tell you what you need to be doing the first 3 days after passing that real estate exam. Stay tuned. All right, besides passing that real estate exam and taking a picture showing that you passed, the first thing you need to do is tell everyone on social media how excited you are about passing that exam. I mean, you're there anyway. You're TikToking, you're Instagramming, you're on Facebook. Show and share that great new information with the world. All right, the next thing you should be doing after passing that real estate exam is time for a photo shoot. All right, get your hair ready, get your makeup ready. If you're a guy, get groomed. Pick the perfect outfit with the perfect colors. Get ready to take a photo that you'll probably be stuck with for 1 year. So make sure that you get the best photographer, but if you are on a budget, that's no problem either. I mean, some of these Samsung Note phones have, they take amazing pictures and videos. So don't let that discourage you. If you are on a budget, just use a solid color wall and take a photo at home. Now, if you have not already selected a brokerage that you're going to join, you definitely want to start talking to brokers and get ready to sign up with someone, because you can't sell any houses until you sign up with a brokerage. And finally, something you need to work on your first 3 days after getting your real estate license is start creating a database. Now, this database should consist of friends, family, church members. Put everybody in there that you know that you used to work with, or but if you have their names, their email addresses, and their phone numbers, go ahead, start an Excel spreadsheet and put their information in there. Now, the purpose of the database, this is what you're going to use when you are prospecting for business. All right, when you are thinking about who to mail your postcard to or who to call and ask for business, these will be the people. So get started with that database as soon as possible, or within the first 3 days of getting your real estate license. If you got any value out of this video, don't forget, click that like button, give me a thumbs up. It helps with the algorithm. It helps YouTube to share this information with more people like you. All right, so if you got any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I would love to interact with you online. It's Katina Willis, and I will see you soon.